अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज ही मैं अपने इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए ऐसे लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है ऐसे का अ ट्रू मुस्लिम। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम कोटेशन लिखेंगे। बीइंग मुस्लिम इज़ द बिगेस्ट रिवॉर्ड फ्रॉम अल्लाह। Islam is a true religion. It is a complete code of life. A true Muslim believes in oneness of Allah and Nabuwat of the Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He obeys Allah's orders. He believes in all the religious and divine books. He has affirmed faith in the day of judgment and angels. A true Muslim believes that Allah is the sole master and creator of the universe. He tolerates every bitter ordeal for the sake of Islam and did not deviate from his loyalty and love for Islam. Purification is half of the Iman. It is the moral obligation of a true Muslim to readily lay down his life in support of righteous cause. Regularity, tactfulness, and punctuality are the important features of true Muslim character. A true Muslim offers prayers 5 times a day. He pays zakat and performs Hajj. He observes fasts during the whole month of Ramadan. He is polite, friendly, and good dealings with the people. नमाज इज़ द पिलर ऑफ इस्लाम। हम थोड़ा सा एक आधा पैराग्राफ लिख के फिर हम कोटेशन लिखेंगे। इस तरह ऐसे की लेंथ भी बढ़ जाएगी और ऐसे दिखने में भी अच्छा लगेगा। नेक्स्ट हम आगे पढ़ते हैं। द क्वालिटी ऑफ ह्यूमिलिटी, forbearance and accommodation is an essential factor of the character of a true Muslim. Likes and dislikes play no role in the life of a true Muslim. He likes all injunctions and prohibitions which are from God and His Holy Prophet. Don't tell them you are Muslim, show them you are Muslim. A true Muslim is always thankful to Allah. He performs his duties honestly. He shows patience in problems. He helps the needy and the poor. He holds his standard of morality. He is brave and friendly. No lust of power, no sense of greediness, and no love of worldly gains will influence his course of action in favor of the forces of evil and against the forces of good and virtue. Guidance of God and His Prophet is sufficient to determine his day-to-day activity. A true Muslim is like rain. Whenever it falls, it will benefits. A true Muslim seeks knowledge at any cost. His knowledge teaches him humanity and virtues. He is satisfied with whatever he owns. He always rejects dishonesty and unfair means. A true Muslim knows that his good deeds would win him reward in the life hereafter. He meets evil with good and conquers enmity with generosity. He keeps himself within the bounds of law and justice. May Allah show us the path of His obedience. A true Muslim never loses hope in Allah. उम्मीद करते हो आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नए आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।